Come in. Come in.
Magandang umaga po sir, pinapatawag niyo daw po ako.
Yes, good morning. Can you please call all our board members for our meeting tomorrow? Ano sir? Please call them. Ano sir? Tawagan mo na sila. Okay, come in.
Ohio.
You may sit.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Soy Lanza, el presidente de esta escuela.
Hi, my name is Raymar Mercigan from RBM Incorporation.
Buongiorno, sono Gleito Marquez di parte di Italia. Così che cosa te questo incontro per?
Los convoco a todos para una reunión. Wariwa Nekashitenen. Sorry, I forget that you don't understand Spanish.
Yeah, totally.
Sí.
Hi.
So, let's start the meeting.
Okay, sure. Eso es todo para hoy. Okay, see you tomorrow, or I am going to give you a tour here in our school.